B. Where are you? I am at home. Have. Do you have any plans for tonight? Yes, I have a dinner reservation at 7 p.m. Do. What are you going to do this weekend? I'm going to visit my parents. How about you? Say. Can you repeat what you just said? Sure, I said that I need to finish this project by tomorrow. Lend. Can you lend me some money? I promise I'll pay you back. Sorry, I can't lend you any money right now. Go. Where did you go on your vacation? I went to Hawaii. It was amazing. Get. Did you get the package I sent you? Yes, thank you. It arrived yesterday. Make. Can you make me a cup of coffee? Of course, how do you take it? Break. I accidentally broke your vase. I'm so sorry. It's okay, accidents happen. Don't worry about it. No. Do you know how to cook lasagna? Yes, I know how to make it. Think. What do you think of this book? I really enjoyed it. The plot was very interesting. Die. Did you hear that John's grandfather died? Yes, I did. That's so sad. Take. Can you take this book to the library? Sure, I can take it for you. Teach. Can you teach me how to play guitar? Sure, I'd be happy to. When do you want to start? See. Did you see the new movie that just came out? No, I haven't seen it yet. Is it good? Lie. Why did you lie to me? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to lie. Come. Are you coming to the party tonight? Yes, I'll come if I can. Can. Can you speak Spanish? Yes, I can speak Spanish fluently. Want. What do you want for dinner? I want to have sushi. Look. Can you look at this picture and tell me what you think? Sure, let me take a look. Use. Can you use this tool to fix the broken chair? I'm not sure how to use it, but I'll try my best. Find. I can't find my keys. Have you seen them? No, I haven't. But I'll help you look for them. Give. I'm really hungry. Can you give me something to eat? Sure, let me give you a sandwich. Tell. Can you tell me what time the movie starts? Sure, I think it starts at 7 p.m. Where? What are you going to wear to the party tonight? I'm going to wear a black dress. Work. Where do you work? I work at a software development company. Call. Can you call me when you get home? Sure, I'll call you as soon as I'm back. Would. Would you like some coffee? Yes, please. That would be great. Try. Have you ever tried sushi before? No, I haven't. Should I try it? Ask. I ask you a question. Of course, what do you want to know? Choose. Which color do you want to choose? I want to choose the blue one. Need. Do you need any help with your project? Yes, I need some help with it. Bring. Can you bring some snacks to the party? Sure, I can bring some chips and dip. Feel. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling pretty good, thanks for asking. Become. What do you want to become when you grow up? I want to become a doctor. Leave. I'm sorry, but I have to leave the party now. That's too bad. Thanks for coming, though. Drive safely. Put. Can you put the dishes in the dishwasher? Yes, I'll put them in. Eat. What did you eat for breakfast this morning? I had cereal and toast with jam. Feed. Did you remember to feed the cat this morning? Yes, I did. She's all taken care of. Mean. What does this word mean? It means to express regret or disappointment. Burn. Be careful not to burn the cookies. I'll keep an eye on them. Keep. Where do you keep your tea bags? I keep them in a kitchen cabinet. Let. Can you let me know when the meeting starts? Sure, I'll give you a heads up when everyone's ready. Begin. When does the concert begin? It begins at 8 p.m. May. May I ask you a personal question? Sure. What do you want to know? Seem. Does it seem like it's going to rain today? Yes, it does seem that way. Help. Can you help me carry these boxes to the car? Absolutely. Let's get it done. Throw. Can you throw me the ball? Sure, here you go. Talk. Can we talk about what happened yesterday? Yes, let's talk about it. Shut. Can you shut the window? Sure, I'll close it.